Welcome to today's video. If you've noticed that WhatsApp Web recently started turning certain text into emojis automatically, you're not alone. A lot of people find this new replace text with emoji feature more annoying than helpful, especially when you just want your messages to look exactly how you type them. So, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable that setting step by step. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this through your browser by visiting the official WhatsApp webpage or by using the WhatsApp desktop app if you have it installed. Once it's open, log in by scanning the QR code using your phone if needed. Next, look over at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a few icons there, including your profile picture, the chat icon, and most importantly, a small gear icon near the bottom. That gear icon takes you straight to your settings, so go ahead and click on it. After you open the settings menu, select the option labeled Chats. This is where you'll find all the customization features related to your typing experience and how messages appear. Inside the chat section, look for an option that says Replace Text with Emoji. By default, this is turned on in the new update. That's why every time you type something like Max 3, WhatsApp automatically changes it into an emoji. To stop that from happening, simply toggle that option off. And that's it, no more unwanted emoji replacements. From now on, all the text you type will stay exactly as it is, which is perfect for people who prefer clean, plain text messages or use special symbols that shouldn't change. Before you close the settings, take a second to double check that the toggle is off. Once you've done that, you can go back to your chats and enjoy typing without interruptions. That's all you need to do. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes chatting on WhatsApp Web feel much more under your control. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issue and stay tuned for more quick tech tips like this one.